Okay, today we have a Saturday on in today, 2016 for our water leak procedure. So we're just going to show you what we've found through our test. So focusing on the passenger front door to begin with. It did originally come in with water coming in the boot area, but my colleague's just going to put a bit of water down the back of the window, just simulating that it's raining. And if we look very closely, we can see that there's a run mark coming out from the bottom of the door membrane. And then what that would then do is it would sit on this rubber seal. Then when it builds up, it will then slowly work its way in. We have checked underneath the carpet. There doesn't seem to be any moisture or any water under there, so obviously we have to note that one. Obviously if we replace that one and fix it, we normally do all four because they're all the same sort of age. Coming into the boot area, so this is where obviously the customer is finding the water in the spare wheel holder. We've got the rear hose up behind the rear bumper to test the rear air vents. And if we just quickly come behind here, we can see the air vents there. And if I just quickly focus my camera in, we can see that the water's coming through the air vent, but as well as it's coming in through the bottom. So we can see here there's a giant puddle here. Once that puddle fills up, it will then work its way over this step, and then it would then fill up the spare wheel holder. So it's leaking quite heavily. They're both leaking on either side, so we would obviously have to replace them. So there we go, that's what we've found so far.